Knowing when to escalate a maintenance issue can be surprisingly difficult. Tenants often worry about overreacting, while landlords worry about issues being reported too late. In this video, we'll walk through a simple maintenance decision tree to help decide when an issue should be escalated. Why escalation is confusing. Escalation is confusing because responsibility isn't always clear. It's not always obvious how urgent an issue is, or whether it's something that can wait. This uncertainty often leads to stress, hesitation, or unnecessary back and forth. What escalation really means. Escalating an issue isn't about annoyance or inconvenience. It's about impact. Specifically, whether an issue affects safety, essential services, or could cause damage if left unresolved. Thinking in terms of impact makes decisions much clearer. Step 1. Is it urgent? Some issues should always be escalated immediately. These include gas smells, electrical hazards, flooding, or loss of essential services like heating or water. If safety is at risk, escalation is always the right choice. Step 2. Is the issue getting worse? Some issues start small but can worsen over time. Ongoing leaks, repeated system failures, or anything that could cause property damage should be escalated before they become serious. Early reporting often prevents bigger problems later. Step 3. Can guidance resolve it? Not every issue needs escalation. Sometimes checking the property guidance or following documented steps resolves the problem. Clear instructions help avoid unnecessary escalation and reduce confusion. When to escalate. If safety is affected, damage is likely, or guidance doesn't resolve the issue, escalation makes sense. This decision tree helps take emotion out of the process and replace it with clarity. Closing. Clear escalation helps issues get resolved faster and keeps communication calm for everyone involved.